If you're over 40 and thinking about learning something new to make money online, you might be wondering, where do I even start? Because there's so much out there, so many skills, so many tools, so much noise. But here's the truth. You don't need to learn everything. You just need to learn the right things. Hey, I'm Carl. And when I started this, I didn't have any of these skills, no tech background, no online business experience, just a need to figure something out. So let me give you 3 simple skills that actually make sense, especially if you're starting later in life. Skill 1, communication. This is the most overlooked skill, but it's also the most important. It's not about being perfect. It's about being able to explain what you're learning, share your thoughts, and connect with people. That could be videos, posts, simple conversations. And here's the thing. People don't follow perfection. They follow real. Skill 2, learning how to learn. This one changed everything for me. Instead of trying to master everything, I focused on learning small things quickly. Try something, test it, adjust, repeat. That's how progress actually happens. Skill 3, consistency. This is where most people fall off, not because they can't do it, but because they try to do too much too fast. You don't need to do more, you need to show up. There's simple actions, repeated over time, create results. These aren't flashy skills, but they work and they're simple enough that you can start today. If you want help learning these step by step, that's exactly why I joined the Freedom Builders Club. It's a place where people like us are learning this together. No pressure, just a clear path. The link is below if you want to take a look. You don't need everything, you just need to start.